Ever feel like every low-carb diet plan is just lettuce and grilled chicken? What if I told you there's a 30-day low-carb meal plan that's full of flavor, easy to prep, and actually works? According to new studies, following a low-carb weight loss plan can help you drop up to 8-10 pounds in a month and boost energy. In this video, I'll share a full weekly low-carb menu with breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and even low-carb snacks and desserts you'll love. Whether you're a beginner, athlete, or just want fresh low-carb meal ideas for work, this plan is built to fit real life. I'll cover low-carb breakfast ideas, low-carb lunch recipes, low-carb dinner ideas, plus low-carb smoothies, sauces, and quick treats. You'll also get tips on low-carb grocery haul, batch cooking, and staying motivated for all 30 days. And yes, I've included family-friendly meals, low-carb vegetarian meals, and even low-carb baking recipes that taste amazing. So grab your low-carb food list and get ready for a low-carb lifestyle that doesn't feel like a diet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more low-carb recipes 2025, meal plans, and shopping tips. Let's jump in. This is your 30-day low-carb diet meal plan, 2025. Let's make healthy living delicious. Let's break it down. What exactly counts as a low-carb diet plan? Most aim for about 5,100 grams of carbs per day, but you can adjust based on your low-carb macros and goals. The big win: low-carb diet benefits include steady weight loss, balanced blood sugar, and fewer cravings. Research shows a low-carb high-fat diet or low-carb high-protein meals can help reduce appetite naturally, so you eat less without even trying. It's not just weight. Many people notice clearer thinking, better mood, and fewer energy crashes, true low-carb lifestyle perks. Low-carb isn't only keto. You can follow a low-carb Mediterranean diet, a low-carb vegetarian meals approach, or just skip sugar and refined carbs. Key to success: focus on whole foods like veggies, meats, seafood, nuts, and healthy fats. Use low-carb pasta alternatives and low-carb rice substitutes to keep variety. Don't forget drinks. Switch soda for low-carb drinks like sparkling water or unsweetened tea to stay hydrated. Common mistakes: cutting carbs too fast, skipping fiber, or living on processed low-carb snacks. We want real food. Remember, a great low-carb meal plan isn't about perfection. It's about balance, prep, and enjoying what you eat. Next, I'll show you exactly how to use this 30-day low-carb diet meal plan, so you can customize it to fit your life. Ready to get started? Here, how to use this 30-day low-carb diet meal plan and make it fit your lifestyle. First, create a weekly low-carb menu each Sunday. Pick your breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and low-carb snacks ahead of time. Next, use our printable low-carb shopping list to stock your kitchen. Think fresh greens, lean meats, eggs, cheese, nuts, and low-carb high-protein meal staples. Don't stress about exact numbers. Use low-carb calorie counting or portion guides to keep carbs in check without obsessing. Adjust daily carb targets based on your activity. For beginners, aim for around 5,100 grams of carbs to start. Customizing: swap in low-carb vegetarian meals or low-carb family meals so everyone at home can join you. Meal prep basics: batch cook proteins, roast veggies, and prep sauces to build quick meals all week. Keep tools handy. Air fryer, slow cooker, or spiralizer make easy low-carb meals fast and fun. Don't forget quick add-ons: cheese sticks, olives, hard-boiled eggs for busy days. Finally, this plan is flexible. Mix and match recipes, explore low-carb baking recipes and treats, and make it your own journey. Welcome to Week 1. Let's jumpstart your low-carb weight loss plan with meals so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Start mornings right with low-carb breakfast ideas like egg muffins, chia pudding, or quick smoothies. For lunch, pack low-carb lunch recipes like lettuce wraps, Cobb salad, or tuna-stuffed avocados. Filling, crunchy, and portable. Dinner under 30 minutes. Try garlic butter shrimp, zucchini noodles, or sheet pan chicken with broccoli, classic low-carb dinner ideas. Keep your desk drawer stocked with low-carb snacks like cheese sticks, almonds, or olives to beat cravings. Batch cook, prep proteins, boil eggs, roast veggies on Sunday. Makes your low-carb meal prep effortless all week. Spice it up with sauces. Salsa, pesto, and ranch can turn leftovers into new meals. Craving comfort? Warm up a bowl of low-carb soups like creamy cauliflower or chicken zoodle. Remember, week 1 is about habits, not perfection. If you slip, just reset next meal. Ready? Next, we add flavor, variety, and global dishes to keep you excited. Week 2 is all about adding flavor. Let's upgrade your weekly low-carb menu with global dishes, fresh veggies, and fun sauces. Try new proteins. Salmon, turkey, or tofu add variety to your low-carb, high-protein meals. Make veggies the star. Roast cauliflower, zucchini, or bell peppers with olive oil for quick sides. Global flavors keep meals fresh. Think taco bowls, Thai lettuce cups, or a fresh low-carb Mediterranean diet plate. Level up leftovers with low-carb sauces. Chimichurri, pesto, spicy mayo. Meal prep them on Sunday. Try low-carb casserole recipes for family dinners. Chicken broccoli bake or cauliflower mac and cheese. Prep easy dressings like lemon tahini or Greek vinaigrette to drizzle over salads. Batch cook veggie soups and stews to reheat anytime. Perfect for quick low-carb family meals. Keep your taste buds excited and your motivation high by rotating flavors each week. Coming up, Week 3 focuses on greens, smoothies, and even more low-carb meal prep hacks. Week 3 is lean and green. We focus on greens, fiber, and veggie-packed meals to feel lighter and more energized. Kickstart mornings with low-carb smoothies. Blend spinach, almond milk, protein powder, and chia for a filling drink. Build hearty low-carb salads. Add grilled chicken, boiled eggs, avocado, and seeds for crunch and protein. Breakfast idea: veggie omelet with cheese or tofu scramble. Keeps carbs low and flavor high. Try low-carb vegetarian meals like stuffed peppers, cauliflower rice stir-fry, or eggplant lasagna. Batch cook soups and stews. Creamy broccoli soup or beef and kale stew, perfect for quick lunches. Sheet pan dinners save time. Roast chicken, zucchini, and bell peppers with olive oil and herbs. Overcome the carb slump by prepping extra snacks. Nuts, cheese, olives, or celery with nut butter. Focus on volume eating. Fill half your plate with low-carb veggies to feel full with fewer carbs. Next, we make low-carb living sustainable with baking, family meals, and dining out tips. You made it to week 4. Now let's turn this into a real low-carb lifestyle, not just a month-long plan. Eating out, choose grilled meats, salads, or swap fries for veggies. Ask for dressings on the side. Keep emergency meals ready. Canned tuna, rotisserie chicken, or low-carb wraps for busy days. Bake your own treats. Almond flour muffins, coconut pancakes, or low-carb bread recipes that actually taste good. Try low-carb desserts. Chia pudding, berries with whipped cream, or dark chocolate squares. Make it family-friendly. Low-carb family meals like taco bowls, cauliflower pizza, or bunless burgers everyone loves. Batch cook favorites. Low-carb casseroles, soups, or shredded chicken for tacos saves time and money. Stock the pantry. Low-carb sweeteners, nuts, almond flour, and low-carb pasta alternatives like zucchini noodles. Reward yourself with new recipes. Explore low-carb baking recipes and even low-carb treats like fat bombs or mug cakes. Coming up, answers to your biggest low-carb questions, from macros to vegetarian swaps. Let's answer the top questions I hear about starting a low-carb meal plan, especially if you're a beginner. Can I exercise while doing this? Yes. Pairing workouts with low-carb, high-protein meals helps maintain muscle and energy. Is keto the same as low-carb? Not quite. Keto is a stricter low-carb, high-fat diet, while low-carb is flexible and easier for most. What if I'm vegetarian or vegan? Focus on low-carb vegetarian meals. Tofu, tempeh, nuts, seeds, and low-carb, high-protein meals with plant protein. How many carbs per day? Most start with 5,100 grams. Use your low-carb macros and adjust based on energy and goals. Will I gain weight back after 30 days? If you keep a balanced low-carb lifestyle, likely not. The key is consistency, not perfection. What about sweet cravings? Use low-carb sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit, and enjoy low-carb desserts in moderation. Can this work for athletes? Yes. Add low-carb, high-protein meals, time carbs around workouts, and keep snacks handy. What are the best foods to always keep stocked? Think low-carb nuts and seeds, eggs, leafy greens, and low-carb sauces for flavor. And finally, is this beginner-friendly? Absolutely. With a low-carb food list and weekly low-carb menu, anyone can start. And that's it, your complete 30-day low-carb diet meal plan, 2025. We covered everything: quick breakfasts, flavorful dinners, family meals, and even low-carb desserts and treats. Remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about discovering a low-carb lifestyle that keeps you full, happy, and healthy. Try new recipes, prep ahead, and adjust your low-carb macros to your own body's needs. Want to keep going? Download our low-carb meal plan PDF for print, or save this video to watch again. Share your favorite meals, swaps, or low-carb recipes 2025 ideas in the comments. We love your creativity. Looking for more? Check out playlists on low-carb meal prep, family dinners, and even low-carb baking recipes next. Remember, balance beats restriction. One meal doesn't ruin progress. Keep moving forward. Thanks for being here. Your effort today makes tomorrow healthier and happier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone starting a low-carb diet plan. Here's to your best, healthiest year yet. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey to build a real, balanced, low-carb lifestyle. If you enjoyed these low-carb recipes 2025 and this low-carb diet plan, give this video a like and hit subscribe for more. Share this video with anyone starting out, because eating well should feel good, not hard. Keep experimenting, stay flexible, and enjoy every meal. Here's to your healthiest year yet.